video on a 2011 Impala, the crankshaft sensor. I can tell you right now, it ain't no joke. Holla. Got to do. Take the passenger side tire off. And this son of a gun right here. It's the monster right there. Simple. Oh yeah, something else too. Them all the bolts for it right there. This bad boy here. Best thing to do, size 10, and get it from up top up here in the back. Right there. Just go through here. Get that. Monster is, like I said, this right here goes right up in here. Right here. It's gonna go right up in here. Back up in here, you gonna see it. How the bolts to take off when you take them off. The sensor gonna be back up in here. So watch my hand, I'll show you. Okay. You got one sensor right here. That's gonna be in your way, so you're gonna have to unplug it. Plug here. This one plug, this the crankshaft sensor plug right here. Crankshaft go in a little hole right down from this sensor, right down here. You're gonna take the tire off in that bracket. You better get right to it. I showed you the right hole. Well, the hole is actually down here. Yeah, right there. Some hole right there. You need a size 10 deep well socket. Yeah, right here, size 10.